They've already got started this morning spraying the skies. Let's see. Look at that. Pricks. It's already shitty sky. I'm getting out there while the temperature's still good. Going to the river. Adios. Here we are. It is so beautiful today, but they covered the sun up, as you can see. Pricks started early this morning. You still see the faint lines everywhere, but it still didn't affect it much. It's beautiful out. Texas having a ball. Get off me, you goofball. You're all wet. Aw, little mare. You want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Hey, you want to get a drink? What are you doing? What are you doing, crazy dog? He's a little crazy just like me. That's why I love him. But I got to keep him leashed up all the time because he has a bad habit about running off and chasing cars, and he don't have enough sense to quit. So anyway, I'm just going to sit here and soak it in for a minute. We're about a mile up the river. It's beautiful. Just loving it. Actually, them covering the sun probably made it a little bit more bearable out here. December 24th, and I'm kayaking the river. Dude, that water is cold. I would not want to dump off in that shit. You want a drink? Alright. Is that good? Here. I'm here. My hand's freezing. Hurry. Woo, boy. What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? You loving this? Huh? You loving this? Hey. Hey, you. Good boy. Yeah. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah. Little shithead. He hits the end of that leash and jank it. I got him tied up right here. So he can't go anywhere. That way if he accidentally falls in, I can reel him in real quick. He doesn't seem to want to go in the water too bad. Just a little bit of wading and he's done. Like you can see, he's gonna get back in the boat. Okay, we're enjoying. It's really calm right in here. Really quiet. Who would have ever believed I'd be out here on the river on December 24th? It's windy back. I can hear it roaring back in there, but it must be in a spot where the wind just doesn't hit. It's just awesome. Perfect place. Sun's all covered up, bricks. Better get out and enjoy this as much as you can. We don't know how much longer we're going to have this. The way things are going. A bunch of psychopaths running the country. I can't believe that we've been shifted into a totally negative, alternate reality. That is so fucked. Otter hole. That tree over there is about ready to fall into the water. The roots are all bare. It's leaning over. I think I'll stay on this side of the river. these over here look a little more sturdy. That'd be the shits. Down the river and a damn limb fell on you. Okay, well, adios. We'll talk at you later. It's so beautiful. Scouring the bottom of the river, looking for anything. Looks cool. Very interesting. Like a big ass giant's tooth. Tell you the story about one of the first giant tooth I found. I was sitting at the computer and I was asking the universe if giants were real, if they could prove it to me. 5 minutes later, my wife asked me to take out the trash. I take the trash out to the bin, and it just got done raining, and the sun was shining. And just as I lifted the lid, I noticed that something kept shining and hitting me in the eye, and it was really bright. And I was like, "What is that?" So I threw the trash in, looked down, and I swear, it looked like a big tooth staring me right in the face, and I said, no way. So I reached down and grabbed it, and I'm not shitting, it had a root system and everything, big ass premolar, probably 20, 25 foot human, or, Phoenician, if you want to say that now, because that's who was here first, you know, big red-headed, white giants that ate the Indians. They ate them. Yep. Okay, that's why they got killed. Meat-eating bastards, and they like to eat humans. So anyway, adios with that story. For now, enjoy. See down in there, looking at the viewer. That water is so clear that when the sun shines through, you see clear at the bottom easily. I'm gonna have to get out here with some snorkeling gear and see if I can really find some shit, Mom. Because there is shit everywhere down in there. All kinds of things. The sun is trying to burn through that shit. Thank goodness. We're moseying around the bend. What the fuck? This morning I looked at Folgers. I was like, what the fuck? Where's the fucking D, you bitches? You fucking pricks. You took the D off there. But no. Not the case. It's always been that way here. Here. It's not where I'm from. It's fucking cuckoo, isn't it? It's the truth. I swear to it. Alright, well, hey, I'm gonna get off here. Adios. And I'll get back with you in a little bit. We'll have some more fun. There's the Jeep. We're just using the wind to go back. It's pretty sweet. Hold the paddle and it catches the air. Got my own little sails. Pop-up sail. This is beautiful. We're enjoying it. Had a hawk flying over us a little while ago. I didn't get the camera out in time. Darn it. Anyway, shit. What do you see, Tex? Huh? What you see, boy? Huh? What you see? Yeah, they're pissing the skies up again. Fucking bastards. One fucking good day, and they gotta go fuck up a wet dream. That's an old saying. Fuck up a wet dream. How old are you if you're saying that still? Well, I'm old enough to be a great grandpa now. Yeah. Fuck that dumb shit. If history plays out right, I may just make it to be a great great grandpa before I croak. In this life, anyway. I ain't going away though. Fuck that. Adios. Tex, say goodbye. You wanna say goodbye? Say goodbye. Tell him goodbye. Tell him Tex. Alright, you don't want to talk. I said fuck it, I don't want to talk. Oh, why are you gonna talk? What's the matter? What's the matter, baby? Adios. Well, he finally did it. Look at the sky. Yeah, it's gonna be windy. How are we gonna do that? Well, we are gonna fly around like fucking jackasses, and we're gonna spray shit all over the fucking sky. And once that's done, that's gonna lower the temperatures, and we're gonna get some fucking wind, buddy. And then we can forecast winds that day. What do you think? That gonna work? Fucking Nimrods. A lot of people can't figure it out though, so they're the ones blind to it. I don't know what to tell you. Better wake the fuck up. This is a beautiful day, and fucking made the wind cool now. I'm staying around for a minute when this fucking shit blows over, hopefully. It's the shit they were spraying. So, I doubt very seriously it's going anywhere. The sun, you can hardly fucking see it. You see it quite a bit a little while ago. Now it's trashed. Anyway, it's still a beautiful spot no matter what, and I'm gonna stick around till I can. Isn't that right, Tex? What? He wants to go back in the kayak. He's nuts. Okay, adios. We're gonna go here in a little bit. They screwed the day up. It's nice out, it's just no more sun, and the air's a little cool when it blows, and if you got a little water on you, it's fucking cold. So we're gonna call it a day, but we had fun. A little short run we had, and we got about 3-4 miles in, but just drifting most of the time. This is a beautiful spot to camp. Whatever, because you can set up here on these rocks with your camper or whatever, your tent. And it is rock, so you can bring some padding. December 24th, Fall River. Beautiful day. It was, until they sprayed the shit in the sky and looked at the results. And I had a nice sun too, but no more. Of course that brings wind. Match the little forecast. Little pricks. Texas is gone. Uh-oh, his call. What's he doing, huh? What's he doing? Get away from that mud. Hey, no. It's nasty down in there. Let me get a spider bit right in there. See that spider? Huh? Look at this rock. See the layers of it, how porous it is? It's like I don't know. That's a little layer of skin on a human. But of course, that's real freaking big here. This kind of stone. You know, all life was. Wow. It's so beautiful. What'd you get? All tangled up on me? Shithead. Huh? What are you doing? Huh? He's about honoring his house. You can't sit still. Come here. Hey. Always screwing around. The water's really clear. Can't see it a lot with the ripples, but you get out there in the middle and you look down when the sun was shining, you see down through it, it's really clear. That's how I get out right there. That's why I drive a Jeep. Adios.